Shivaratri is formed by joining two words, Shiv meaning Lord Shiva and Ratri meaning night. Hence, Shivaratri means night of Lord Shiva. Among the 12 Shivaratri celebrated in a year, Mahashivaratri is the most important one, generally celebrated in February or March depending upon the planetary position. Mahashivaratri, the great night of Shiva, is the most significant event in India's spiritual calendar. On this day, devotees worship Lord Shiva, observe a strict fast and do various religious activities to please Lord Shiva. Devotees further believe that by placing Lord Shankara on the auspicious Shivaratri day, a person is absolved of past sins and is blessed with moksha or salvation. The day marks a remembrance of overcoming darkness and ignorance in life and the world. It is said that Mahashivaratri marks the anniversary of the cosmic dance performed by Lord Shiva. Mahashivaratri is considered the day when Adiyogi or the first Guru awakened his consciousness at the material level of existence. According to Tantra, at this stage of consciousness, no objective experience takes place and the mind is transcended. The meditator transcends time, space and causation. It is regarded as the brightest night of the soul when the yogi attains the state of Shunya or Nirvana, the stage succeeding Samadhi or illumination. Shivaratri is celebrated on the 14th day of every month, one day before the new moon. Among the 12 Shivaratris celebrated in a year, Mahashivaratri is the most important one, generally celebrated in February or March, depending upon the planetary position. Shivaratri is a great Hindu festival of the convergence of Shiva and Shakti. Every month, Masik Shivaratri falls in Chaturdashi Tithi during Krishna Paksh. People fast during the Masik Shivaratri from ancient times and worship Lord Shiva. On Masik Shivaratri, it is believed that impossible and difficult tasks can be fulfilled by observing the fast. Devotees of Lord Shiva keep awake during Shivaratri and also perform Shiva Puja at midnight. It is believed that unmarried women keep this fast to get married, whereas married women observe this fast to maintain peace and tranquility in their married life.